Oh, cobalt light on frozen ground, big puddle lot, no other sound. Rust orange, my curved edge gleams, sharp against the winter dreams. I hum low, a diesel sigh, waiting for the storm to fly. This cold air, it steals my soul, ready for the coming toll. Summer past in dusty sleep, promises the frost will keep. Now the radio crackles low, first call for the coming snow. I've been waiting through the heat for this moment, bittersweet. Hungry blade, I take the first mile, pushing back the winter's guile. No one sees me in the dark, leaving my solitary mark. Hungry blade, I carve the white, shining in the halogen light. This lonely job, I do it right. A mailbox stands a lonely sign, past a car, a broken line. An old dog watches from the porch, I don't slow. I feel no scorch, just a rumble deep and slow. Salt tick where the headlights glow. Telephone poles blur and fade, a silent dedicated blade. Summer past in dusty sleep, promises the frost will keep. Now the radio crackles low, first call for the coming snow. I've been waiting through the heat for this moment, bittersweet. Hungry blade, I take the first mile, pushing back the winter's guile. No one sees me in the dark, leaving my solitary mark. Hungry blade, I carve the white, shining in the halogen light. This lonely job, I do it right. This is the quiet before the rage, turning winter's blank white page. A solemn duty, strong and true, for the city, for me, for you. Hungry blade, I took the first mile, pushing back the winter's guile. No one saw me in the dark, leaving my solitary mark. Hungry blade, I carved the white, shining in the halogen light. This lonely job, I did it right. Sunrise breaks the storm has ceased. My work is done, my power released. Back to the lot, the engine dies, frost crystals form before my eyes. I rest again, a silent guard, till the next storm hits this yard.